So it looks like a colossal mess. But I had fun doing it, and I'm curious to see what happens when it dries. So I did a lot of things to this. And I didn't video it. My videos are, I don't know, I'm not proficient in editing and fast forwarding and all that stuff, so let me know if you want me to video my stuff and you guys fast forward it, or I just do my stuff and post when I'm finished, because I'm fine either way. But I really like this. It's kind of fun. There's a lot happening. Anyway, let me know. Have a good night, folks.